Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials, device model and OS version, since Control Center needs the updated platform to run reliably. Next, enable permissions, microphone, notifications, and location so features can communicate with the system. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This prevents timeouts during initial sync. Make sure to use your admin account when prompted, because some controls require elevated rights. Now that those prerequisites are active, move to the app and open the Control Center to begin configuration. You now map core shortcuts. Pick 3 to 8 controls you'll use regularly and assign them to top slots for rapid access. Then adjust sensitivity and thresholds. This is where you fine-tune how sensors or automations behave. Lower thresholds for faster response, higher for stability. Once configured, create a single scene or routine to combine multiple controls and test it with a short 30 to 60 second run. If timing or ordering is off, tweak sequence positions and retry until it behaves predictably. To finish, save your profile and enable auto backup so settings persist. Choose cloud or external storage based on your policy. Then run a full end-to-end test, verifying logs, status indicators, and any external dependencies. If something goes wrong, first restart the Control Center service and the device, then reapply permissions and confirm network latency is under acceptable limits. The key troubleshooting tip: check logs for authentication or timeout errors. Those reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.